Welcome to CLADE, the covert league of animal detective experts.
I'm Agent Sam Snow.
And I'm Agent Kid Casey.
Animal detectives. Dinner can wait, kids. The director's got a creature case for us.
Huh? A new case came in from the Mice Squad. It's up to you to figure out what's going on.
You can count on us, Director.
Good luck, agents.
Prepare for blast off. Now approaching destination value.
We're from CLADE, and we're here to help.
Folks just started freaking out.
What in the woolly world? Time to investigate.
You're the animal expert, and I'm the master detective. Whiskers, that's it! Stop that snake!
Sam, you hear that?
This could be our biggest creature case yet. Requesting assistance from all agents.
Microwave for Wally!
Ready when you are.